Introducing the Rain Showers and Unicorns Kids Water Table, the ultimate outdoor activity table designed to spark the imagination and creativity of toddlers aged 1.5 years and older. With its colorful design, interactive features, and included water toy accessories, this water table provides endless hours of fun and exploration for young children. Inspired by magical rain showers and playful unicorns, this water table combines whimsy and wonder to create an engaging play experience for kids. The vibrant blue and purple colors add a splash of excitement to any backyard or play area, inviting children to dive into a world of imagination and adventure. Equipped with 12 water toy accessories, including rain showers, spinning gears, and adorable unicorn figures, constructed from durable materials, this water table is built to withstand hours of active play and outdoor use. Its sturdy design ensures stability and safety, providing parents with peace of mind while their little ones explore and play. With its imaginative design and interactive features, the Rain Showers and Unicorns Kids Water Table is sure to become a favorite among young children. Click the link in the description to learn more and make your purchase today. Bring the magic of rain showers and unicorns to your backyard with this delightful outdoor activity table, a surefire hit for toddlers and young children alike.